One of the latest developments in products liability cases is called Crash Avoidance Technology, commonly referred to as C.A.T. And C.A.T has two functions. One function is to warn the driver of an impending crash, and the second function is to actually act autonomously to avoid the crash. Some of the most prominent features of C.A.T include automatic emergency braking, forward collision warning, lane departure systems, lane centering assist, rear cross traffic warning, blind spot intervention. It's important to note that these systems are only designed to recognize and react to certain risk. At Langdon Emerson, we've been working on auto product defects for over 30 years, and our team of experienced litigators have experienced coast-to-coast and high-stake lawsuits related to automotive technology. If you feel you have a case that involves a crash avoidance technology system, please feel free to call us at Langdon Emerson. We will look at your case promptly and evaluate it at no cost to you and no obligation.